What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? What's good with y'all? What's good? What's good? We tuning in for another video, man. Y'all can see, man, this is part 2 of the car meet. I told y'all I had so much footage, man, I had to cut it into 2 parts. Cause it was a lot of whips out there, it was a lot of people. It was just a good time. It was an overall good time, man. So I had to make up 2 parts. Cause I caught a whole lot of epic B-roll footage. And then, man, I hate that some of the talking I had, the talking I was gonna put in part 1 video, man, I ended up shooting it in B-roll, so it was in slow motion. So y'all gonna see some just interaction clips on here too and all that. It's just gonna be some nice B-roll footage for y'all to enjoy and all that good stuff. So you know, that's what we got going on today, man. It's a pretty day. Like I said, I've been moving around, running around and stuff today, but I'm gonna put that in another vlog or whatever. This is just about the car meet, man. I hope y'all able to come out to the next one. We're looking at doing it again at the end of July. I'll give y'all the date, exactly, the exact date. Hopefully in the next 2 weeks, I'm working on making everything all the way official. All the way official, having an office out there, everything. So I'll let y'all know, and Cuz will let y'all know too, but we probably looking at the end of July. And we shoot to do 3 a year, spring, summer, and fall. So the last one probably be September or somewhere up in there. I don't know, we'll get together on it. But yeah, man, y'all enjoy this video. I'm gonna catch y'all in a minute.
Fresh beef. Fresh beef.
Alright, y'all, so I hope y'all enjoyed that video, man. Like I said, it was the rest of the footage from the car meet, some epic B-roll, all of that, man. I just been running around all day, getting stuff ready, you know, having to, just everything, man. We rolling, we shake, rattle, and roll, man. So yeah, Big Dolo probably be back next week. I had talked to Jesse, man. He said he'd probably jump on it next week, so instead of this week, might be looking at next week, getting that car back, and then we'll be going to the track. I'll probably be driving John Jones around a little bit. I don't know. I just be having to piggyback, man. I don't be knowing which ones I want to drive and all that now. It got them running, got them ready. I don't be knowing which ones I want to drive. So we'll be jumping on meat soon, man. Be jumping on meat soon. Then I think I'm gonna go ahead and pay for the slab, man, for the shop. And I can start at least parking all the cars over there where the shop gonna be. The building's backed up and all that, but that's another video, man. I have to give y'all all that. In another video, give y'all that update. But y'all might see a slab, man, poured right there soon, and a lot of concrete and all that other stuff, and all the old schools will be pushed up. And then, you know, I can start parking the truck, the L150 up here on the concrete and all that, man. So we might be getting that done. Y'all probably see some more yard construction coming. Like I said, we still waiting on this right here, this concrete to be poured. This little area, now I've been took care of that, so we're gonna make that 3 wide. We still waiting on that. That area got to be treated. Got to get that underpin. It's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of stuff, man. Lot of stuff got to be handled. But yeah, y'all know I'm bringing y'all along the way. I'm bringing y'all for the ride and all that. And look, I'm going to be in Texas. I'm going to be in Texas next Friday and Saturday. So man, I'm gonna be at Extreme Raceway Park. I think it's in Hutchins. I think that's the exact city or town or whatever. Hutchins, Texas. So if you don't have nothing going on, whether you're into the track or not, man, I love to meet y'all, man. Y'all come out. I'ma plan on flying out. Just well, we ain't got no event, cause I'm really going to work, man. I'm gonna be at the Cinco de Mayo event. I'm gonna be there getting it in. They're gonna be my first time to Texas. Me and wife will be there. The kids ain't coming. The kids ain't coming this time. But me and wife will be there next Friday and Saturday. I think that's the 7th and 8th. I think it's 7th and 8th. Let me see. Let me tell y'all exact date. Flight book, man. I will be there for sure. I will be in Texas. I know I got a lot of supporters in Texas, man. I'm finally coming, y'all. Finally coming. Hold on, let me see. Let me get this date for y'all. 7th and 8th. Yeah, so the 7th and 8th, I will be there at that track, Extreme Raceway Park, man. So if y'all ain't got nothing going on, come out, man. I know I usually stay on the line because I be getting it in. So even if, man, I can't make a move, y'all come holler at me and all that, man. I love to meet everybody because I know I got some solid supporters out there in Texas, man. But I'm going to be out there, and I plan on flying to H-Town. I don't know. I'm just sporadic, man. Kids about to be out of school. I'm going to be everywhere. Me and the family, we're going to be everywhere. So, you know, just, hey, Miami, we're going to be in Miami. If any supporters in Florida, I'm going to be in Miami. The end of May, man, we just been, boom, we finna start moving, man. We finna start traveling. So we're going to be everywhere. We'll be in Miami, though. So, yeah, we're going to be in Miami the end of May. I give y'all the exact date. Texas next week. Be in Alabama the week after that, still Alabama. Then like we're gonna fly to H-Town, Houston, just to kick it. I might try to set up a meet and greet. Y'all give me some good locations. Give me some good locations in Texas, man. Houston, cause I might set up a meet and greet when we fly out there. I want to do that. I want to meet everybody. And tell me where else I need to come, man. We like to travel. I'm gonna start moving, shake, rattle, and roll, man. So yeah, that's it. That's it. I hope y'all enjoyed the video. Catch y'all later. I'm out.